Let's walk through how to create an SMS campaign in Klaviyo. This is a one-time personalized message sent directly to a subscriber's mobile device and has different character limits than other text message protocols like MMS or RCS. Our campaign will target VIP subscribers to announce a product launch and give them early access before anyone else. Before we dive in, make sure to click like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content like this. Let's get started. To begin, select Campaigns in the main navigation menu of your Klaviyo account. Then click Create Campaign. In the modal flyout, name your campaign and determine whether it should be omnichannel, in which you will send a series of messages in a single campaign, or single channel. For this example, we'll keep it simple and use single channel. Then choose your desired send date and select text message as your campaign type. You can also add any tags to your campaign to easily find it later using filters and reporting. Then select Continue. On the next screen, select a predefined list or segment to send this message to. For this example, I'll choose my SMS VIP segment. You can also send to multiple lists or segments, or exclude any you don't want to send to. On this page, you'll see your recipient count update in real time along with a location breakdown. You can toggle locations on or off if you'd like to exclude specific regions. Below the audience section, you can enable smart sending to skip profiles who recently received a message to avoid overwhelming them with too many messages. This feature is turned on by default. Smart sending also supports compliance by applying a state-level safeguard, since some states have strict rules for how many messages a subscriber can receive within a given time period. These safeguards can be adjusted further from your account settings. In the tracking section, you can enable UTM tracking if you wish. Manage your UTM tracking settings in your account settings. When you're ready to move on, click Next. Now you're in the Klaviyo Campaign Builder. On the left, you can add your message in the Message Content box. Need help crafting your message? Click on the Copy Assistant button for AI-generated ideas. Select your message type, provide a few additional details, and let our Copy Assistant do the work for you. Click on any of the ideas to insert that text into your message content box. You can also select the person icon to easily add dynamic personalization to your messages. Select the type of information you'd like to personalize from the dropdown and add generic default text to use if that property is missing for a profile. Next, include a link so that Klaviyo can track your SMS effectiveness and make sure that the checkbox for automatically shorten links is selected. As you're customizing your message, check out the preview of your SMS message in the center of the screen. Next, review your compliance settings. Select the Compliance tab where you'll find your organization prefixes, unsubscribe instructions, and unsubscribe link settings. These are on by default as they're required to keep your messages compliant with carrier regulations. In the top right corner, select Preview and Test to view your message by region, by device like iOS or Android, or as a specific profile. Depending on the region, the sender information and unsubscribe instructions will change automatically. If you have smart translations enabled in your account settings, you can view the message translation in this section. To see how your campaign looks on your own device, add your number, then click Send Test. Once you're ready, click Done in the top right corner of your screen. On the review page, you'll see your account credits information, recipient information, and all of your content and settings from the previous page. If you need to make any edits to your message, click Edit and make your changes. Once you feel confident with your SMS message, click on Schedule or Send in the top right corner. You can send immediately or schedule for a later date. If scheduling, use the drop-downs to choose your send date and time. By default, messages send in each recipient's local time zone to avoid sending during quiet hours. Click Schedule Message when you're ready. If you prefer to send your text immediately, click Send Now and then Send Now again. And that's it. You've officially created and sent an SMS campaign in Klaviyo. Continue exploring text message resources to learn how to create messages designed to engage your audience. If you found this video helpful, make sure to click like and subscribe and check the description for more content to help you learn and grow with Klaviyo.